at the viewpoint located at Balutacay, Bansalan, Davao del Sur. So let's just make the celebration more fun, more exciting, more charming, and more vibing as we are embracing this cold breeze sa lamig kayo ng weather this Balutacay. So ladies and gentlemen, every guest and visitors, please focus your attention sa atong gina-consider karon nga center aisle because we are going to highlight the newly engaged couple. But first, on that, let's take this moment as a first impression and create excitement. The ever supportive standing parent or standing mother of Joyce. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Ma'am Cornelia Padillo. A round of applause, please. Malakpakan natin. Also the soon-to-be parents of Mike as well. Okay. Sige, di akadapit ma'am, mupasok. You are also like a Disney princess today. So maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin yung magulang ni Joyce, and in the future will be also the parent, the standing guardian as well of Mike. Ladies and gentlemen, as we introduce here in the society of our couple, this is really an official introduction into the celebration sa kaning not pending marriage of our couple. Ladies and gentlemen, let's express our joy on our beloved newly engaged under commitment together. They are really figuring themselves on their wedding day. That's why we are having this engagement party right here. So allow me to introduce, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate this important milestone in their new life, the togetherness. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause our soon-to-be bride and soon-to-be groom, Mike and Joyce. Here we go, a round of applause please. Okay, Ma'am Cornelia, okay lang dito ka muna, ma'am. Hindi sa kadapita, ma'am. Okay, I would like to request Sir Mike and Ma'am Joyce to please take this moment to stand because, sir, congratulations and best wishes on your married life. We have this Filipino tradition, like you're going to bless the mother of the soon-to-be bride. So, ma'am, pablisun ni mo ang imong future po ng anak-in-law. Okay, sige, pablisun. You're going to bless. Do you know that Filipino tradition already, sir, right? Okay. And then you're going to hug your daughter as well, ma'am. With all the support. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Sige, dito sa kadapita, ma'am. Go back, you may go back to your respective seats. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this wedding, or not wedding, this engagement celebration is very intimate. Kung kita ang pinakadoon silang kasing-kasing ang muna-muna are invited today. So let's show off our support through our greetings. Let's all shout congratulations. Joyce and Mike. Okay, let's all just shout congratulations, Joyce and Mike. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Congratulations, Joyce and Mike.
Okay. I believe balagikan ka na nga og pika-pika, so mas energetic ka ang mga muna. Anyway guys, kung gusto ko na ito pagpamalakpak o syagit, mga manihapog na dayon. Alright, let's all shout. Say the loudest as you can. The best congratulations to Mike and Joyce. Everybody, let's all shout congratulations, Mike and Joyce. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Congratulations, Mike and Joyce!
Alright, maraming salamat. You may take your seat now, including our newly engaged couple. Ladies and gentlemen, it is really important that our newly engaged couple should be provided a spiritual and meaningful na pagsugod ang ginatawag nila nga not pending married life. So I would like to request here to lead the blessings and offer of prayers to our newly engaged couple. I would like to invite here in front Pastor Ray Campang, and everybody, let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God.
Mayroon ko ba sa